welcome back to my YouTube channel. My own name na Mimi. Today I can talk about very important topic. Do ya? Don't forget for like, subscribe and click on the notification bell so that anytime we I post a new video, you go be the first person we go get a notification and the first person we go watch the video. Today video not get for long because na short important information I want for pass to we African parents there, to we mama and papa them na Africa. Today we dey talk about parenting. Parenting na way mama and papa they raise the pikin, they take care of the pikin. So number one bad attitude or bad habits way African parents can do to the pikin them na for beats. Na for beats. So man fi say when you beat pikin na the best. So man fi say when you beat pikin na in the pikin they left, na in the pikin they change. But I want to tell you today, with mama, with papa there, not to beat the men pikin, not to beat the make pikin change. Pikin, you get for talk to them. When pikin do something, you call them. This way you don't do, next time, no do them again. You tell the pikin wetin are the bad and good about the thing where it don't do. Wetin are the bad thing where if tomorrow it do wetin go for happen when are bad, wetin get for happen when are good. And no mean say as pikin do something instant, one thing, you take cane, you beat am, you take your hand, you knock am, you this. No, not to beat the men pikin. Because if I beat the men pikin, you dey beat that pikin every day. If that pikin dey used to that beating day, and then they feel am. You dey see some pikin they say, me, can that warm, can that cold. Mama beats me, and then they feel am. Papa beats me, and then they feel himself. You see, because the pikin don't used to the beating. Even if you go to school, it will be more stubborn. Because you know say at the end, na beat the beat am. It go do something way bad more pass what it can do na house, where it go na street. It go do something bad pass what it can do na house. Because you go say if I do where they go lodge me complaint to my mama or my papa, na beat somewhere they beat me. And they beat me kanda na kanda warm kanda cold. You see, so do ya mama, papa, una make we learn for go they talk to we pikin them. When they do something, we call them. This way you don't do, and not good. Next time, no do am again. If you do am again, I dey beat you. They can say first fool na fool, but second fool not so fool. You want am one time, you want am two time. Do am making three time, you not do am. At that time the beat can come inside. We learn for God they talk to we pikin them, not to beat the solve problem. You understand? Not to beat the solve problem. Not to beat are the best way for men pikin, for race pikin. Like pikin do small thing, a broke and cup in a house, a lost spoon, a lost this, na for beats. No, mama, papa, una make we left for go the beats we pikin them. Make we talk to we pikin them. We pikin them that we young party them. When them do something, make we learn for go to talk to them. Make them get that confidence. Say this time my mama, this time my young party. Make we learn for go to talk to we pikin them. For we where they abroad, we don't see how the men pikin them. We don't see how they raise pikin them. The way I can see somehow, pikin them where they abroad, how them parents say, their mama, their papa, they encourage them, they get time for them, they listen to them. I can wonder, say, if we African parents then come here, they can't wait that the men win in Africa. If they come here, most of them na police they go end. Because we just feel say like pikin wey you dey men if you go the hard way, pikin not for encourage them. When you encourage them, it dey spoil. You dey see some no get this, you dey encourage this pikin, you dey spoil am, but na pikin you get for comfort am. Pikin they change. Yeah, we pikin do bad. When you don't talk to them and not listen, you dey call social welfare. They come pin that pikin down, then talk to them. Do ya, mama, papa, una don hear wetin I don't say about beating, about for shout per pikin, not to beat or you ala per pikin, na in the men pikin. Do ya, una make we left this attitude, una make we change how we dey handle we pikin them, how we dey care for we pikin them, una make we try for show we pikin them that concern, that love, and make we forget the beating. Number 2 points. As a parent, learn for listening to your pikin. When you pikin come, mama, no alapara. Now what's happen? Why you dey call me name so? Now wetin happen? If you no get anything for do, you own better. Na for go play, na for go lay down, na for this. You no know wetin that pikin want for tell you. So as a parent, you get for lis ten to your pikin. When the pikin come, mama, yes, na wetin happen? The pikin will start for explain wetin happen. Sometimes the pikin don go out, they don go do am bad, they don go kick am na im belle. E get this belle heart. E want for tell you as a mama, e want for tell you as a papa. And if you no give am the chance, how e go tell you? You know, e no go tell you, e go afraid for tell you, and tomorrow that thing dey go affect im health. You understand? So as a parent, do ya wanna make we learn for listening to we pikin them, because it gets advantage, it get disadvantage. If all time you as a parent they listen to your pikin, you dey alapanam, you dey make the pikin feel inferior, you dey make the pikin afraid for come near you. And parents that we for be with. You understand? Now we forbid the pikin the soldier. Now we forbid the pikin the pillar. They forget confidence in we say, me mama there for me, me papa there for me. Anything where meets me, na me paddy, na me mama, na me papa, I dey go meet them, I dey go talk to them. No make you pikin afraid you to. So do your mama, papa. Now the number 2 points stand there. Wanna make we learn for the listen to we pikin them. Pikin they can get information. Not to say na for Kongosa, not to say you encourage the pikin pa Kongosa or any other thing. You understand? Like something in brother or in sister go they play, something happen and one for can tell you as a parent. And if you all pagam you drive and not go talk, you know. And they can always say how you train pikin so it grow with time. You understand? So if pikin on then us in brother that they fed they this, and one can tell you say in brother don't beat them. You as a mama, what do you get for do? You get for call them all too, you put them down. Okay, next time on another fet here, you just get for be nice to your pikin. You just get for be polite to your pikin. You just get for be a good listener to your pikin. Number 3 points, parents. Allow you pikin for show in talent. Yes. Allow you pikin for show in talent. So pikin them they like football. You go see them small thing, they don't go take ball, they don't go outside with their friends them for play ball. Now that Sunday some parents they grab some mama them. Come now yeah, instead of wanting for football, instead of this, come on, pass, go take your book, may study. Like say football not a career. God. You dey see football players them how much they pay them. So make we allow we pikin them for showcase them talent. Some pikin them good at drawing. When you see say you pikin sabi draw, it sabi paint, it sabi this, not try for discourage them. Try for encourage them. Wow, this thing way they do if I know, if possible, buy the material for the pikin, make it go to try in the house. About picking them or you both picking them, oh they say, oh you both picking them, you know. They do more of practical than theory. Then parents they encourage them in whatsoever that they do. In whatsoever they try for showcase their talent. You they see them mama, them papa they support them. When I make we learn for good, they support we picking them. Yes, education is very good, but all man get a own different talents. Some man, some pikin them, they're good at singing, some dancing, you know, some drawing, some creating, making arts, you know. If you don't notice say you pikin, a sabi play ball, a let ball, try for empower the pikin, try for encourage the pikin for good to do more. If you see say you pikin, a sabi sing, a sabi dance, try for encourage the pikin. Once in a while, put music, say can sing, can dance. You can even teach the pikin how for go about time. Help for try for help the pikin and try for showcase the pikin in talent. We see small pikin in abroad. If they say that they dance well. Why? Because their parents and they behind them. If they say that they sing well. If they say that they play anything way abroad pikin say that they do them perfectly because their mama, their papa, they behind them. So do ya at the beguna, mama, papa, una make we learn for good support we picking them. Make we encourage them for showcase them talent. Make we encourage them for showcase wetin them know wetin they sabi for do apart from education, apart from book. You understand? Do ya? So me na big at the big una. I dey talk to una today how for raise pikin, how for men you pikin, how for make you pikin comot fine, how for help you pikin for develop in talents. So do ya? Una make we encourage we pikin them. Number 4 point, mama, papa, una make we learn for go dey invest in we pikin them education. Una make we learn for go dey buy expensive shoes, expensive clothes, expensive phone. You know, buy them fashion dressing them way we pikin them. They go good school, no not decent way they go school. Some not even get a complete school books, not talk of exercise books. So do ya, una make we try for go dey invest in we pikin them than we sef. You not say we not for dress, we not say we not for look good, but we pikin them that we number 1 priority. Also a day, you dey see parents, sometimes one clothes, so in the whole week, the 1 whole week or month, you dey see that one shoes, that one clothes. But when you go na the house, wetin the pikin get, it gets all wetin e need. Because they dey see and say tomorrow na that pikin get for be them future, na that pikin get for help them. You get for invest in you pikin for tomorrow. Tomorrow when you go down old, who that go take care of you? Tomorrow when you go down tired, who that go take care of you? If you don't invest in you pikin well, how you invest in you pikin and so it dey comot. Make sure say you pikin dress well, e dey go good school, e get good home training. Get time for you pikin. Invest in you pikin. See some parents them, where they say married, where they say burying, they do go na some go shopping for themselves. Especially when they say married, and that same day with mama, with papa, they want show themselves say they sabi dress. They get past 3 box clothes them, shoes them, bags them. They forget for take care of their young pikin them. You dey see some woman the way they come on a street of class, but when you see in pikin, when you see in pikin, you go ask them pikin and they no get time. If you say na in for dress, if you say na in for eat good. Now only Africa home they see where they cook chicken when they cook the leg, they say na the papa for eat am. The best part na the papa for eat am. Where other places them, other country them, I go say, or Europe, they give the best to the pikin. They say because na in need for grow. Yes, they give the best to the pikin. They say na in need for grow. Buy expensive phone, buy expensive this, all that day na vanity. If you not invest in the one way tomorrow go replace you, the one way tomorrow go help you. If you not invest in them now, or you invest good things like give them good education, like I say, you give them good education, you make sure say, you know, find lesson teacher, that money where you go buy clothes with, that money where you go take for go buy only maybe a tie or bag. Find lesson teacher at school where it come na house. It get time for rest, it take in class, finish, it eat good food, wash, it go lay down. That money where we waste, phone, buy this, buy that. And then they say parents don't forget phone, parents don't for look good, but your number 1 priority for be you pikin. Make sure say you pikin a well-to-do, okay. About parents, they don't care about dressing, they don't care about anything. They can even go na street self with slippers. Maybe this, you see that they come, like they don't get nothing, but when you go na the house, wait till you they see them pikin get the comfort. Small pikin that they get time for play with an iPad, it get in maybe in computer, it get in this, it get in playing game, it get everything. But we buy phone for pikin or maybe computer for make you go the land. You the police pikin, it's too small, it's too this. Africa, we encourage we begin encourage pikin like you give pikin opportunity for go to play with maybe phone or make I say computer. They say the pikin small. you dey spoil am. We African parents and they give una make we learn for go dey invest in we pikin dem. A very important. Now for we old age tomorrow. Now for tomorrow make we dey invest in pikin dem. Make we put them good school. Make sure say everything okay for them. Number 5 points. Mama, papa, let focus and sway you pikin. Because most African parents, when dem pikin dem do them small thing, you wait. You go see am. Until that mean you treat so you back you pikin dem go do you so. Left. Enough fine. Make we left for go dey swear or curse we pikin dem. Now we pikin dem. If we dey place curse on them tomorrow, it affect them on a no better. Then tomorrow we old age. Who that go take care of you? Who that go take care of you tomorrow when you go don old? That pikin wey you don't swear? That pikin wey you don't curse? Boku African mama dem, boku African papa dem, they left for swear. They left for curse the pikin dem. More especially if they don't put you school. They don't put you school, say you don't go college, maybe you don't come out, you don't get work, you don't get this, and you do them small thing. They go swear you, they go curse you. And not good. Parents, not ever curse you pikin. Because even the Bible say, life and death lies in the power of the tongue. So if anything where you pull like your mouth against you pikin, and they fall around. Every morning, bless you pikin, pray for you pikin, and pray for yourself. Make God give you well body and long life tomorrow, whether pikin will come better you. Make you live long for each pikin dey in benefit. Pray for you pikin, pray for yourself. Una make we left for go dey curse them. Some especially with mama dem for curse and small thing. Especially when they make palaver with neighbor. So man can forget say get pikin. They team up, they check, they curse. And pikin they watch am. Tomorrow when the pikin go na street, na the same thing they do. They say because my mama they do am. Me self I dey do am. My mama dey take nonsense. We post it out at all, they get am. Instead they do am. So you as a mama, you not be a role model. Whose information will you pass on to your pikin? And if you as a mama, you know feel or know your responsibility as a mama, you feel say no more, you not like sorry for the world, like any street person. You as a mama, you don't know your value. Now so you pikin that they take you. I don't see some pikin not get respect for them parents them. Wetin can cause that? How the parents them present themselves to the pikin them. Like how they say, how you pray the bed, na so you dey lay down there, or na so you stranger go lay down there. As a mama, you get for make yourself valuable. You get for be a strong role model for your pikin or your pikin them. Make them know your value. Not team up the cost and streets. Not team up the make palaver. Even if you and your man they make palaver, where the pikin and they not talk. I give credit to my parents them. Even if they make palaver, so that they can make palaver in the language or they hear you. But I can understand. But when we dey around, everything is fine. Good. Even when you man they make palaver, una make am to una self. As pikin dem come or third party they among. Make everything fine. So do ya. Una make we left for go dey curse we pikin and swear them. Instead, more go dey pray for them. When dem do mistake, make we pray, make we put all things to God in prayers. Not to reward or bad word or the pull now mouth fine. How you mama, papa, you dey say, you no go better, you no go this, you no go that. No, you no for say so. You for pray for your pikin. And learn for keep yourself like how for say make you pikin see you say, oh, my mama na my role model, oh. Then they, I no one they see say make palava. Some pikin they boast of them parents them. You just see some pikin, me I no one they see say my mama make pussy palava. My mama you no get paddy safe. My mama na my papa no want na paddy. We they boast of them parents them. So do ya, cause enough for be part of parents them. Palava or whatsoever in issue you get with your man, make it be private. Make you pikin no know about them, or make you pikin them no know about that. So do ya na me points them this. Number 1, we don't talk about beat. Not to beat the men pikin. Number 2, we don't talk about listen to you pikin. Learn for listen to you pikin. No matter what, whether it makes sense and not make sense, you get for listen to you pikin. Number 3, allow them for show them talent. Allow you pikin for show in talent. Number 4, invest in you pikin. When you invest in your pikin the good way, the right way, tomorrow you as a parent, you will get the reward. Number 5, no curse, no swear you pikin. Instead, pray for your pikin. Do ya, if you like this video, don't forget for subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell, because I get for go to come every week for go to give una new topic. Una thank you for a way, una take una time for listening. God bless una all. Thank you very much. Me na Mimi. Goodbye.